had our flower demonstration. Can you see, guys? Am I covering you? Okay. We had the floral designed demonstrations by first the three local artists, Filipino artists. Renny Villanueva. Where is Renny? Is Renny here? There. Thank you, Renny. Joyce Aguilar. There's Joyce Aguilar. And of course, Jojo Calderon. Where's Jojo? Jojo there. Thank you, Jojo. Of course, the whole morning, we will not miss the three international artists who came over. First from Singapore, Asunlo. Thank you. We have one from Japan, Tanaka. There he is. And Todoy Ka of Vietnam. Thank you. After that, in the afternoon, 1 to 3 p.m., we had a forum headed by our friend here, Cés Noble. Is actually, there you go, their picture, Suroptimist, discussing a solution against women and children trafficking. I just would like to end this note that I'm really, really grateful to everyone who came, and I could see everyone full table. Thank you so much. Thank you for believing. Again, good evening. Thank you.